Hello, I'm Linda. I came on the Well Woman course with Lisa and I've learned so much. I wanted to strengthen my pelvic floor and I think I have. I feel a lot better for it and it's working wonders. Yeah, thank you. It's been brilliant.
I've trained with Lisa for quite a few years now. Trained with her with the Pilates up until having this little one. After I'd had him, I wanted to make sure that I got back to my fitness as soon as I could, but in a safe way. So I trained with Lisa during doing the Stronger Mummies programme, which not only gave me exercises safely to do, but also gave me lots of recipes to make sure that I was eating well during the tiring days and nights with this little one being up. And the Stronger Mummies programme has helped me get back to my full fitness and even be stronger than I was before I had him.
My name is Wendy Warren and I've been doing Ladies That Lift with Lisa and Pilates for close to 2 years now. I was introduced to her by a colleague of mine and it's the best thing that's ever happened. I've always been sporty all my life. Unfortunately, we got to Operation Menopause and things were not going well, and working with Lisa, not only the exercise but the nutrition, the advice, she's always there on the end of the phone or an email if you need any support, and I can't recommend her enough. She's done wonders for me.